Alrighty everyone, so we got a big project today and I don't think you guys are ready for it. So we're definitely not out here at our normal place, but to figure out why we're in the middle of nowhere, we're gonna have to rewind it a bit. So we'll come back when we're ready.
What are we doing tonight?
Well, we've got a big project coming up, but in order to bring it home, it's 33 foot, right?
That's a 16-foot trailer.
Clearly not very good at size, but in order to bring it home, we're going to weld some D-rings onto it. That might give you a hint as to what we're bringing home. But we got about 9 of these locked up right here, just set around the trailer. We got 2 on the back, 4 up front, and then 1 up on the side. So that's, do the math.
So
6, 7. That's 7.
This trailer has these terrible hooks on it that anytime you crank down a strap, they just bend up like that. So I'm ready to put some heavy duty D-rings on.
And what we're doing today is the perfect time for that. So we're gonna grind some paint off and weld. Maybe my dad will let me do some welding, but these are gonna be used a lot. So
we'll see how it goes because I don't trust my own welding. So
I mean, it says right here. They're up to 12,000 pounds, but with us welding, it's gonna be like 2,000. Professional. I didn't work on a cruise ship.
The next day.
Alrighty, so we're finally heading out to get our mystery object. We haven't told you guys what we're getting yet, but it's gonna be probably our biggest project on the channel yet, other than maybe Big Bertha, but Bertha, she wasn't that hard.
but this project is your project.
Yeah, mine, so I can mess it up in a million other ways. So we're heading there right now. We're probably about like 10 minutes out. So we'll cut to when we get there. Do you want to explain what happened? I can. So
anyway, this is Evan's first time driving the bigger trailer, and he's driving, and we turn, and we're on a road, and behind us is a cop, and I'm like, hey, I guess it'd be a bad time to tell you that we don't have a turn signal or brake lights on one side.
Yeah.
So then he freaked out a little bit.
Well, I wasn't freaking out. He was more so like, I don't want to get freaking pulled over right now. I'm kind of in a competition with my sister. Who's gonna be the first to get pulled over? And I was not about to lose that competition, so that's kind of it. But we forgot to record as I was freaking out, so, well, it wasn't freaking out, but as I was emotionally traumatized, I don't know.
But the cop turned.
Yeah, the cop turned a couple ago, before I even turned my brake lights back on, so we're good. Look at that. It's funky looking.
End of flashback.
Alrighty, so this is what we're here for. We're here for a 1998 inline 4 manual transmission 2-liter Ford Escort, and it's kind of glorious, ain't it?
It's like the battery's missing.
Yeah, right here.
And I think he said maybe the fan might be missing. So yeah, the fan.
Yeah, the fan right here.
So it needs a fan.
Yeah, but I mean, we can close the hood.
Yeah. There's a key in it, so, you know.
Let's do a little walk around.
You know, they got the mirror delete, window delete.
Mirror delete up here too. It's on the floor.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, we got Spider Web City for sure.
Rear mirror delete too.
We got the custom roof spoiler here. Kind of dips in. So air conditioning works. What are you curious about? It might have a trunk pop. It may have you know, in the 90s they like to do the key to open the trunk. So let's just oh, it's 5-speed. He's excited about that.
I am. 5-speed manual.
It might have a pull from the inside, Evan. No?
I just want to see what's back there. Just making sure we're
He's
not
scoping the trunk. There's no dead bodies.
Well, make sure it's in neutral.
So we're gonna have to clean some stuff out. Neutral, no e-brake.
No e-brake.
We'll move this stuff out of the way right here.
You want to just record?
And we'll see if we can maybe push it a little out. I find myself recording and not recording anything at all because I'm looking instead of recording.
I can record.
What do you think that is? A boat? No. Some kind of tank.
It's got like the lid on.
Yeah.
Well,
Got a supply of baby oil. It's just got a lip I gotta get over. Okay, go straight.
I'm not gonna brake till I get all the way down.
It's not too bad.
Pretty clean. Only 253 miles on the odometer. Yeah. Alright, well, it's definitely a work in progress, but
It's got that jazzy hotel carpet.
so wrapping this video up, it was a little chaotic at the place, so let me go over some of the details. This is my 98 Ford Escort with a inline 4. It's 2 liters and it's fuel injected. So I'll give you a quick look around at everything real quick. I haven't actually looked through a lot of the stuff. I did find baby oil in the glove compartment, but I need to throw a battery in there. I'm not sure. I haven't looked, but yeah. Oh, there's a spider in there. Hello, right there. But it's definitely gonna be some work. Someone definitely stood on the roof. There's pieces to it back here, like, oh, there's another spider. Nice. Like over there, there's a piece to the tail lights. Haven't actually been in the trunk yet, so got the key prepared for recording. And is that a battery? Oh. Interstate batteries, those are good batteries. When was it replaced? 2016? I don't know. I'm not good at reading batteries. I don't know, something. Oh, let's pull this out. I'm gonna have to see if that's good. Cigarette buds. Let's see. What do we have under here? Try not to lose my key. Not too shabby, it's a spare. That back. Alright. Well, I'll see you all later in the next video. We're gonna fix this thing up and see if we can't get it to run. So stay tuned.